In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set gutter margins for binding in Word. If you're planning to print and bind a document, a gutter margin is the extra space added on the binding edge so your text doesn't disappear into a spiral, comb, or glued spine. Setting it correctly keeps everything readable and professional. Start by opening your document in Word. Head to the Layout tab at the top of the screen. In some versions, it may be labeled Page Layout, but you're looking for the tab that controls page formatting. Click Margins, and from the drop-down menu, choose Custom Margins. This opens the Page Setup dialog, where you can fine-tune exactly how the page is laid out. Inside that dialog, look for the box labeled Gutter. This is separate from the standard top, bottom, left, and right margins. The gutter adds extra space specifically along the binding edge, on top of whatever margins you've already set. Type in the amount of space you want to reserve for binding. A common range is between 0.5 inch and 1 inch. Lighter binding methods, like a thin staple or small comb, often work with about half an inch. For thicker spines or heavy paper, push closer to an inch so the text block stays well clear of the binding. If your settings use centimeters, enter the equivalent measurement and Word will handle it just fine. Next, set the gutter position. Choose left if your pages are oriented in portrait and you're binding along the left edge. Choose top if your document is landscape and you're binding along the top edge. This tells Word where to place that extra space relative to the page layout, so the binding area stays consistent with how you plan to assemble the pages. Once you're happy with the amount and position, click OK to apply the changes. You'll see your text area subtly shift to make room for the binding space. That's exactly what you want. Keep in mind, when you add a gutter, your content may reflow slightly, and in long documents your page count can change. If you're preparing something important like a report or booklet, it's a good idea to print a single test page and check that nothing is too close to the bound edge. That's it. By using custom margins, specifying a practical gutter size, and choosing the correct gutter position for portrait or landscape, you'll protect your content from the binding and keep your document clean and readable.